Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1962 MGA Roadster. It's a 1622 Mark II model, wire-wheeled. Looks like it was originally finished in red with black trim, and excellent car to restore. This is, if you're looking for one of these desirable final year Mark IIs, this is a super good car. So we purchased it recently from Pennsylvania, and the gentleman we bought it from, he owned it a very long time, like 40 years. So sometime back in the 70s, he hand stripped the back here and put it in primer because he was planning to repaint it. But that's as far as he got. So he's now in his later years, and he just has given up on the project. So it was running and driving great. The speedo reads 13,000 there, but I don't think that's original. But probably the best Mark II on the market for restoration. Just a very super good, straight, clean, essentially almost 100% rust-free car. Great panel fit. I'm a little bit boxed in here. They got this photographed without me being able to go in the booth and do a walk around. But yeah, 1622 Mark II. It's got some side curtains there. We'll look back here. It's got the original side curtain bag. It's got a soft top in there that's probably decent shape, but the side, the top frames there. It's fitted with a kind of a custom steering wheel. It does have the original Motorola radio in it. But like I said, if you're looking for a 1622 Mark II Roadster, these cars had the most horsepower. They had a tall rear end ratio, and definitely the best of the bunch. Let's look at the engine bay here. You can see all that original, that Chariot red paint there. It's got the original VIN plate still attached. This is the original correct 1622 engine. It turns nicely by hand. You know, our experience with these cars is if you you put a fresh gas and battery to them and turn the engine over with a little bit of Marvel Mystery Oil soaking in those boards, you can usually get these engines running really great. You may not have to rebuild it, but this one turns over nicely by hand. It has the oil cooler fitted, but yeah, up here, nice and straight, clean, never been smacked behind the grill there. So one last look at that, you can see it's just a very nice original engine compartment, untouched. So yeah, it's got the they call it the kicked in the teeth grill. So that's the Mark II grill, fits really lovely. So all around these headlamps, you know, excellent, real nice thin here. So no drama. Looks like a very lovely, straight, clean MGA Mark II to restore. Just kind of older driver interior. Let's look in the trunk here. So this is the trunk. It still has that original spare tire bag. Everything looks clean and pretty rust-free in here. You can see all the original red paint. And there you have it, those lovely tail lights, those lovely signature Mark II MGA tail lights. So yeah, if you look at the undercarriage photos of this car, very clean frame, very rust-free, great inner rockers. You could probably do the brakes and fuel system, get this thing driving nicely, and then from there you can go and assess what you want to do with it. But rare opportunity here. This car's in California. We just rescued it out of a barn in Pennsylvania. But pretty great opportunity here. A few MGA lovers. This is the last and best of the MGAs. So 1962 MGA Roadster, Chariot red with black. It's a 1622 Mark II. Wire wheels, correct 1622 engine. Just a achingly awesome car to restore here, and well priced. These cars are getting really hard to find, and we do get a lot of calls for MGA Mark IIs. This is a really good one to start, and you could probably do a body on restoration on it. It's so clean and nice underneath. You don't need to do an expensive nut and bolt body off. You could probably just get away with, you know, getting it running and driving and do cosmetics. So it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.